go crazy. I get to get like to you. This is the best day ever. Okay. Like when you a little step here, step further. You can see I'm from right here, right this. Because ah, what are you doing, Ghost?
Nothing.
Ah! Fish, Mia, come. Ah, this is hot. I love hot. Sorry, Booba's not coming in turn. Oh yes. Oh yes. What the? Ah, there's Boomba. Boomba, say hi to the viewers. Hey Boomba, say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi to the viewers. Oi, say hi to the viewers. Ah, what the? Okay, anyways, let's go to our favorite place. It's gonna be a water park. Our house is gonna be a water park, right, Mia? What are Mia holding? Place flowers. No, Gus, where are you? It's okay, Gus. But I'm super duper. I'm wet. Hi. Hey, Boomba, where are you going? Go. Messi got it. Ah! I'm okay. But Mia, put the flower.
Yes.
Thank you. I will put it in the center of this water park. I think it will be our water park. Look on Mia, Gus. Uba water park. Oh my gosh. Give me some water.
Yeah, sure.
Free water. Yay! Let me just drink it. Let me drink it yours. No. No, give me that, Mia. That's mine. Okay, we all have it. Except for Boomba. Ah, look out. We are on G Fuel. Good. What? Is it okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm okay.
Okay. Very good. I'm not showing my face in the whole film. Okay. Oh my gosh! Shut up, Google! I just put it in water. I don't want to show my face in it. I want to show his face, Mia's face, and Ghost's face, and Boomba's face. And there's Boomba! Ah, right timing! Say hi to the viewers again. Ah, why you don't want to say hi to the viewers? Oh, what are you doing, Gus? You're frying the water. See what you did? They cut me off. Yeah, no.
Oh, okay.
What?
This is the umbrella.
Water in the umbrella.
Yeah.
Water in the umbrella.
Oh my goodness. So crazy, right?
Put it out of here, or we will die on ourselves. And why, Gus? Why you always? I need this water, not for you, it's for me.
Yes. Great.
It's out. It's already out. Fill it, Gus. Fill it. Oh, it's full.
For me.
Oh, it's only just for me, not for me. I'm just like little. Oh, there you go. I want to say like.
Coco, look.
Oh my God. That's not cooked drink.
That's no.
Why is the? Huh? Why do?
My flower. Coco,
Yes.
where's it going?
No, the flower go to the other side of the water, and you know that, right? Oh, gosh, you have flour in your pot. Can you see flour? It's only 4 minutes.
Just flower.
Yeah, the power of juice. Oh, give me that. Oh no. The best day ever. Feel it. Guys, feel it. Oh, that's full. G Fuel. We got full.
Drink this.
We got G Fuel, guys. Use code pr2 and Coco to get G Fuel. Use code
Boomba.
IDK. He's in the house. And
Right.
he already buy milk. He's like his.
It's the chocolate milk.
Yes,
For
this
me.
is chocolate milk. No! No! Did you drink it?
No.
Oh,
You are the king.
oh, nice. Nice water. I'm gonna cut the water. My hand is.
And it's for you.
Ah. We got G Fuel, guys. We got G Fuel. This is the best day ever. I cannot believe it. I ate 1,000. No, 1,000. Like 5 pounds. Are serious? Are you serious? You got Preston and Coco for G Fuel. Oh my god.
No.
This is my water. No! No!
My umbrella.
No, that's mine. That's actually mine. That's really mine. That's actually mine. That's mine.
So cool.
No, no. No! What did you just do that? Ow! Did you just do that to my... Did you just... Okay, anyways. So if here's a bye. It's too long. A bye.